بسم الله والحمد لله ونصلي ونسلم على رسول الله. So welcome back to, this will be lesson 1, part 2. So in the first lesson, we went through the alphabet and how we read from right to left. And we went through the pronunciation of the letters. So as we said in the first lesson, that we would take away the transliteration from the bottom. And now we would test you to see if you have memorized and learned and you can identify the letters of the alphabet. So we'll go through it from Alif to Ya. And so what I'll do, as I've deleted all of the transliteration, so when I highlight the letter, then you must say the letter, and I'll give you a few seconds. Then I will say the letter and pronounce it for you. Okay, so we'll start. Bismillah. Alif. Ba. Ta. Tha. Jim. Ha. Kha. Dal. ذال. را. زاي. سين. شين. صاد. ضاد. طاء. ظاء. عين. غين. فاء. قاف. كاف. لام. ميم. نون. هاء. واو. ياء. Okay, excellent. So I hope you all done well in that. So what we'll do now is that I will just highlight any of the random letters, and then we will do the same again. So when I highlight a random letter, I give you a second or so to pronounce it, and then we'll pronounce it. So we'll start. Bismillah. Sheen. Tha. Ain. Mim. ألف ياء صاد حاء باء كاف زاي غين ضاد نون جيم سين قاف ضاء طاء دال ذال حاء لام. So again, I hope you did well. And then we'll do a quick exercise in where I shall draw the letter and then you will quickly call out the letter and pronounce it. And then I'll pronounce it for you. So all these letters will be random. So this is like a quick fire round. So we'll start. Bismillah. Alif. Jim. Ba. Dal. Ra. Ya. Lam. Fa. Noon. Seen. Sad. Ta. Tha. Wow. Dad. Qaf. Dhal. Tha. And the last one, Excellent. Well done. Okay, and the final exercise is a question. Now, can anybody tell me what these letters all have in common? Yep, that's right. So when we pronounce the tha and the dhal and the dha, then as we mentioned that the tip of the tongue is between the teeth when we pronounce them. So we have tha, dhal, dha. Okay, so that concludes today's lesson. So in the next lesson, we're going to go through the alphabet using vowels, using the fatha, the kasra, and the dhamma. So as homework, I'd like you to remember what these are called. So if we pretend this is a line on a page, which is a very wobbly line. So we have alif here. And then when we put a line on the top, it's called a fatha. So when we see this line above a letter, this is called a fatha, and it makes the a sound, the vowel a. And then we have an alif again, and if it has the line below, this is called a kasra, and it makes the sound e. So we would say with the fatha, a, with the kasra, e. And then we have another vowel, which is called a, which we call it a dhamma. It looks like, if you look, it looks like a little wow. Okay, and this makes the u sound. So the first one, the fatha, we would say a, and with the kasra, we would say e, and with the dhamma, we would say u. So your homework is to memorize, learn what these vowels are called. So when the line is at the top, it's called a fatha. When the line is at the bottom, it's called a kasra. And when we have this sign, like a little wow on top of the letter, we call it a dhamma. And then with the a, e, u sound. هذا وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.